I've been exploring the Retirement Retirement Planner in 2025, and it's proving to be a valuable tool for individuals aiming to take control of their retirement planning. Retirement offers a comprehensive platform that combines budgeting, goal setting, and investment tracking to help users create a personalized retirement roadmap. One of the standout features of Retirement is its intuitive interface, which guides users through the process of setting retirement goals, estimating future expenses, and projecting income streams. The platform allows for the inclusion of various income sources, such as Social Security, pensions, and investment returns, providing a holistic view of one's financial future. Additionally, retirement scenario analysis tools enable users to model different retirement scenarios, helping them understand the potential impact of various financial decisions. While Retirement excels in providing a user-friendly experience and robust planning features, it's worth noting that some users may find the investment tracking capabilities less detailed compared to specialized investment platforms. However, for those primarily focused on retirement planning rather than active investment management, Retirement offers a well-rounded solution. Overall, Retirement Planner is a solid choice for individuals seeking to develop a clear and actionable retirement plan. Its combination of ease of use and comprehensive planning tools makes it suitable for both novice and experienced users. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, share it with someone planning for retirement, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching.